Before using the fan, make sure the power switch is in the on position. Press the encoder button once to turn on the fan. The default speed is level 1. Press the encoder button again to switch to level 25. Press the button for the third time to level 50. The fourth time to level 75. The fifth time to level 100. Press the encoder button the sixth time to turn off the fan. Or you can long press the button at any speed level to turn off the fan. When the fan is on, rotate the encoder knob to adjust the speed level. Clockwise to increase, counterclockwise to decrease. When the fan is on, press the timer button once to enter timer setting mode. Then press the timer button to cycle through the timer settings. 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours, and off. After the timer is set, the selected time will be displayed on the screen. Set the timer to 0 or to cancel the timer function. Press the light button once to turn on both upper and lower night lights at level 1. Press again for level 2. Press a third time to turn off the night lights. While the night light is on, long press the light button to select either the upper or lower light to stay on. The fan can be used to charge mobile phones and other devices through the USB output, providing a DC 5 volts, 2 amps output.